So if you ever want to become a werewolf, or you feel that you're a better actor than what they did in the Twilight series, this is your chance to prove to the world you are who you say you are. Now you can turn into a werewolf at will and show who you are, or even show that silver does not hurt you. This is really really funny. So all you have to do to create this kind of werewolf transition effect is to go to this powerful AI website called higgsfield.ai. So all you have to do is to, once you've done that, click on visual effects, scroll and choose the werewolf effect here. You'll be brought to a page like this where you can just see various videos created using this particular effect. So all you have to do now is to click generate. So once you hit generate, you'll be brought to a page where you have to upload your image here, or the image you want to use. Describe the prompt you want to use in this section also, and the models, select it. You can select a different model here, or you can just leave it as it is and then hit generate. It's essential for you to know that you can always add your prompt, but this would mean you having a premium account. So if you're like me and just want to try it out, you can just leave that section or try and describe what you want here. So once you hit the generate button here, which will take 5 credits from you by the way, and you're giving 10 credits on signing up to Higgsfield AI. So once you hit the generate icon, you'll be about, after 10-15 minutes your video will be properly rendered and you can actually play it. So after playing it, you can download it in this area and use it for your video project. So that's it guys. Please subscribe to the channel and do have a great day guys.